guys, it's me, Lena. Alright, like, I want to talk about something because, like, this is the only place where I can get my feelings out without getting beat up. No, I never got jumped. If somebody tries to jump me, I'll cut a hole. I will cut a hole. No, seriously, I've never cut myself. I'm clean. Alright, so, me and my friend would go to this church party. Yay, church! Yay, for God! Okay, so I like this kid at the church. So me and him were playing something. Then this girl comes up to me like, "Dada, fuck you! Get away from my fucking friend Ben." And I'm like, holy shit. And then I'm like, wait, maybe you should learn my personality before you do anything. I watched my grandmother die right in front of me, and my cousin, I saw his fucking flesh and his bones through legs. I saw him have to be shoot up with pain needles, and he's like, imagine watching your daddy taking drugs and family members dying around you.
Oh, you guys died so fast.
Yes, that may be hard, but, like, what I've been through is much worse. First of all, I had to be in the room while my dog got fucking surgery, and my sister had to get a thing up there, and I had to, to get these huge stitches in my leg. So, yeah, it's just, like, not fair. Now, here's the question that I have for you. Have you ever had a bad experience in your life that you want to share on YouTube? Because I really don't care if I share my feelings on YouTube. And if I get enough, like, comments and shit, you know. I will tell people about your problems and maybe give you guys some advice because I'm good at giving advice. Okay, so here's Luke playing his video game. No, I'm videotaping Modern Warfare.
They can't see, you see? Yes. Wow. Always check my phone.
Concentration. Oh, wait, ready, guys? We're gonna be okay, this is pointless now. Can you see yourselves? Say hello to YouTube. Oh wow, I'm sick. Wow. It's funny.
I thought you got rigged.
Okay, bye-bye.